Hello guys. In this video, I gonna tell you the solution for the task which we had given previous. So the task is write a Python program to check whether a given identifier is valid or not. So for this, we will be taking the support of inbuilt functions that are available in functions. So first inbuilt function that is available is identifier. So is identifier is a function. It returns true if a string is valid identifier, else otherwise it returns false. Okay now. So if a given identifier is valid identifier, it is returning true. Otherwise, it is returning false. So a string is considered as a valid identifier if it is contains alphanumeric letters and 0 to 9 or underscore. A valid identifier cannot start with a number or it contains any symbols. So all these are the identifier rules what we have already talked in the last video. So an identifier should not start with a digit, it should not contain any spaces, it should not contain any special keywords, it should not be a keyword, and it should be it should only contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and 0 to 9. So this is about is identifier. This identifier function is doing checking whether a given string is valid or not based on all these conditions. But here we had an pillar. Here we had some this method is not suitable if we give a keyword. So if I provide for to this is identifier, it is telling it is a valid keyword, but it is not a valid keyword according to Python. Yes or no? So is identifier is taking set of characters and it is checking with all these characters. Okay now, but for is valid keyword according to is identifier, but it is not a keyword according to Python. So let us try to utilize all these circumstances and design a program where it should give both. It should tell us whether it is a valid identifier or not. Okay now. So testing if an identifier is an valid or not. For this, first what we need to do is we need to check whether given word is keyword or not. If it is a keyword, what we need to say? No, it is not an identifier. If it is not a keyword, again we need to check with alphanumeric characters, right? That is what we are doing here. We are using two functions. One is keyword and second one is identifier. With this, we will conclude whether a given one is valid identifier or not. For this, let me open a new file. See, using Python, using Jupyter Notebook. Okay, now. Now let me copy this and also this. So here, what I am doing, guys, see here. So first I am checking whether it TechBeans is an valid is keyword or not. Okay now. So if it is keyword, if it is keyword, what I can finally state. Let me type one thing. First, let us exercise with this is keyword function. Go. It is returning false because it is not a keyword. Okay na. So again, now what I can do is not go. Oh, now for is keyword or not? Yes, it is for is keyword. That is the reason why it is written true. Now if if it is yes, if it's a keyword. So we had a point. What is that point, guys? What is that point? If all the keywords are not identifiers. Is this clear? So first we had mentioned that first we need to check whether an identifier is a keyword or not. If this identifier is a keyword, what we will say that it is not an identifier. Okay, na? After checking all this, now let me check with is identifier function. Okay, na? So let me go on with go dot is identifier. Yeah, it is returning true. Let us check with ho dot is identifier. Yeah, we are getting an error. What is that error? So str object has no attribute called as identifier. So spelling of this identifier is wrong. That is the reason why we are getting error. Let me correct that. Yeah, it is true. Yeah, it is an O is an identifier. Yeah, now let us give with start with the let us start our let us start with two. A digit cannot be right. So to string dot is identifier. Okay, now. So yeah, it is starting with a digit, so it is not an valid identifier. Let me give it with spaces. Space go underscore is identifier. No, it is also not an identifier. It is also not an identifier. False. We are getting false because we are having space. Okay, na? So now again, let me check with let me check it with other one, that is with special characters. Do percentage dot is identifier. Yeah, it is also not case. So all these are false cases. So if it is starting with a digit, if it is having white spaces, if it is having special characters, we should not say that is an identifier. So from this lecture, we had concluded 2 points. First, what we need to do, first point, what we need to do, we need to check whether whether an given identifier is a first it is an first check whether a given identifier is a keyword or not. Okay, now first we need to check it with the keyword or not. So if I'm writing an algorithm, this is rough algorithm what I am going to do. If it is if the identifier what we are taking, if it is true, if it is true, what we need to return? We need to return it is not a keyword, right? So if it is returning true, it is saying that it is a keyword, then we need to return false in the sense it is not an identifier. Else if it is returning true, we cannot say that if it is not a keyword, we cannot say that it is an identifier. We need to check with all these cases whether it is having starting with the two, whether it is starting with, whether it is having spaces, whether it is having special symbols, we need to check it with all, right? So else what we need to do is we need to check with else check with the is identifier function. Is identifier function. Okay, na? So again here, if it is true, if is identifier is true, if is identifier is true, then what we need to return? Return true. It returns true in the sense it is an identifier. Else it returns, we need to return false. Is this clear? This is a rough algorithm what we need to do. So let me do this for you. Check if let us take an example identifier. So I in the sense it is an identifier. So identifier of let us take it for fur. First we are taking fur. So if what we need to check, first we need to check with it is an keyword or not. Okay na? Check. So guys, come here. Yeah, if it is a keyword, keyword dot is keyword of I. If it is a keyword, what we need to do, guys? If it is a keyword, we need to print I. Print I is not an identifier. Okay, now I is not an identifier. What again? What we need to do? Else. So if keyword dot is keyword, if it is returning true, what we are saying? If it is returning true, we are saying that it is not an identifier. Else, if it is not returning true, if it is returning false, then what we need to do? We need to check it with is identifier or not. So I dot is identifier of okay na. So if it is returning true, then what we need to do, guys? We need to print it is I is an identifier else what we need to print? We need to print I is not an valid identifier. So let me copy this and paste here. Is this okay, guys? Is this clear? Let me run this program. So I is not an valid identifier. Clear? Here we are not getting valid identifier. Now let me give 2. It is valid identifier. Yes or no? 2 is valid identifier. 2. It is not an identifier because it is starting with that. Space. Yeah, it is not an identifier because it is having space. Now let me give with special characters T dollar and it is not an identifier. So this is that's it, guys. This is what the program for checking whether a given keyword is given identifier is valid or not. This is the task given to you. So that's it, guys. If you have any queries, please put them on the comment box. Please share your views and please do follow us on Tech My Hype channel. Thank you for watching this video.